guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be finding, just like normal, 5 blue fidgets. So let's get on over to the fidget bin. Let me empty out the bin. Oopsies. No. Oh goodness. I knocked it over. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, well, first, start off, we'll use an amazing one. It's a bracelet. It's from my school. It says paw. I don't think this is from my school. Oh, this is from my friend Ella's birthday party. Is this green? I'm gonna count this. There's a lot. We're finding a lot of mochis, you know. Oh my goodness! It's another 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsies. 1 more. Oh my goodness! I have this blue one, this blue one, and this blue one. So let's see what I got. So we have this. Goodness, how fun this is. Subscribe. I don't know about you guys, but this seems really soothing. Okay, next, this blue slime. Sticky. That's. Oh goodness, whatever. And we got this one. Then we have this puppy. No, I opened it. Whatever, I'm gonna tape this back up because I want this to be opened. So this has to be opened because I don't know how I'm gonna tape it. So. And then this one mochi, I love this one. This one's one of my favorites. It's a shark. And then we have the one that I love. I've had this since I was like 2. The octopus. This money man, some money man, some this money man. Makeup girls, no kind of makeup girls, no makeup girls. That's what we think. I don't know about you boys. But we'll come back next week for the club